Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So in previous video, I talked about having multiple constructors in a class and trying to call them through constructor reference. So we were able to call default constructor by using constructor reference, but I wrote lambda expressions for both types of constructors, default and argumented one. This was pretty straightforward, just call the constructor and pass some arguments as per its requirement. It will work. But what about this constructor reference? Can we call this or not? I hope you guys tried, and if not, so that's fine. Let's see what's happening here. So thing is guys, at a time you can call only one constructor from the method reference. Yep, that's right. Either you can go for argumented one or the default one. How we determine which one we should be called? All because of the method, or you can say abstract method present in function interface. So that abstract method determines whether we can go for or which constructor we are talking about here. Either we are going for default one or argument one. You can see we just have one argument here. So sorry, zero argument here. So it will go for default one. If you provide argument, then it will go for this constructor. That's right. So there's no way that you can call both constructor by using the same this technique. So what I can do one thing. I can copy this line, and instead of default I'll keep one argument like string s. Now you guys can see it's breaking, so let's comment this out for now. And even this is breaking, and I have to pass data. Let's say end data. And when I call this code, only one thing is going to print, that is this one, run as application. And you guys can see we are getting one arg constructor. So it depends what kind of argument we are passing here, and only then constructor gets called. So your method taking argument, so that means your constructor is taking argument, and accordingly it behaves. If you want to print what is passing, what has been passed here, so just append that s here, and it will work like this. And if I run this code, this will also get printed because this has been passed from here. Whatever you are passing, it goes to your constructor. So either one constructor, either this one or this one, only one constructor at a time can be called. So why? Because function interface won't allow you multiple abstract methods. So either you can have zero arguments or one argument. So it depends upon your method signature, and then you can determine which constructor will be called, and accordingly you can proceed. So that's it for this whole constructor reference. In next video I'll create one more example to have some more idea, or like some more idea, like with the like multiple ways, either creating object a traditional way, then going for lambdas, and later constructor reference. So next video we will do kind of a application. So thanks for watching this video guys. Let's meet in next video.